Hello, my name is Ian Bronowski, and I'd like to introduce you to my co-producer, Gemma, who's a great help, as you could imagine. I'd like to welcome you all, of course, to part 2 of woodworking techniques for beginners. Just a hint, if you are looking at this for the first time, it might be best for you to do the beginners part A first, because I'm assuming that you can do the things covered in that area. In this program, we're going to look at 3 really useful basic tools. That is the hammer. I know, not very exciting, but it's important. How to use chisels, sharp, good chisels, how to do some joints, and the delights of saws, hand saws. Remember, this program is all about hand tools, and although we use electric tools, they're all hand tools. The project is a spice rack, which is nice sort of thing to make, but more importantly, I'll help you work through, or Gemma and I will show you how to do 2 really important joints. One is a mortise and tenon. It's a great joint, love it. And the other one is a stop housing joint, and that will provide you with a lot of the skills that you need in woodwork. Remember, woodwork is not only fun for doing creativity and fun for yourself, it's actually very useful because you can fix those things around the house which cost a lot of money to get somebody else in, like putting up shelves and fixing doors and those odd sort of things. And of course, you might get a few brownie points from your partner, so let's hope so. I hope you enjoy this, and let's get started.